Not receiving verification codes on your iPhone? Try these fixes. Refresh your cellular connection. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Tap the airplane mode icon to turn it on. Wait about 10 seconds, then tap it again to turn airplane mode off. Wait for your cellular signal to reconnect. This simple network refresh can often fix temporary cellular issues, preventing verification codes from coming through. Check your phone settings. If you're still not receiving verification codes, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Use the search bar to search for phone, then open it. First, check My Number and make sure the correct phone number is listed. It should match the number where you're expecting to receive the verification code. Next, find the Screen Unknown Callers section. Temporarily choose Never to prevent unknown callers from being screened. Then check the call filtering section. Temporarily turn off any filtering options that could block or silence unknown calls. Check your message filters. Open the Messages app. Tap Filters in the top left corner. First, open Unknown Senders and look for the verification message. Then check other categories like Spam, Promotions, and Transactions. Sometimes verification codes are automatically sorted into one of these sections. Restart your cellular line. Open the Settings app. Tap on Cellular. Turn your active cellular line off. Wait about 10 seconds, then turn the line back on. This refreshes your cellular connection and may fix temporary network issues preventing verification codes from arriving. Check blocked phone numbers. If you're still not receiving verification codes, open the Settings app. Use the search bar to search for blocked contacts. Tap blocked contacts to open the list. Review all the phone numbers you've previously blocked. Pay special attention to unfamiliar short code numbers, as some services use them to send verification messages. If you recognize a number you blocked by mistake, swipe left on it and tap Unblock. Force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button. Keep holding it even after the screen turns black. Release the side button when the Apple logo appears. Wait for your iPhone to finish restarting. Hopefully, one of these solutions fixed the verification code issue on your iPhone, and that's it.